Hi friends, welcome back to Can't Think Straight. I'm your producer, Madison Harvey, and to be completely honest, I had a pretty uneventful winter break. I dyed my hair pink, I busted my knee sledding, annoyed my mom a lot, and watched Heated Rivalry like 4 times. I wanted to ring in season 10 with a Heated Rivalry watch party, Trixie and Katya style, but apparently that violates App TV guidelines. In all seriousness, I'm very excited to continue bringing you queer news and culture this season. We have a lot of super fun and funky fresh plans in the works, new faces, new segments, and the same commitment to being App TV's token gays. First, as always, let's take a look at the headlines.
Hello, my name is Raya, and today I'm filling you in on everything going on in queer news. Let's dive into the headlines. In case you missed it, the Canadian queer hockey romance Heated Rivalry took over streaming. Distributed by HBO here in the US, Heated Rivalry was directed by Jacob Tierney. You may know the name from other Canadian hits like Letterkenny and Shoresy. Main leads Hudson Williams and Connor Story have been vocal in their support of the queer community and have encouraged many queer athletes to come out in the show's wake. It's looking like a big year for queer sports as there will be 44 openly LGBTQ athletes competing in the 2026 Milan Winter Olympics, making it a new record. This number is expected to grow as more athletes feel comfortable coming out. New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani referenced heated rivalries, saying, "The snow is coming down heavily across our city, and I can think of no better excuse for New Yorkers to stay home, take a long nap, or take advantage of our public library's offer of free access to Heated Rivalry on ebook or audiobook for anyone with a library card." According to the New York Public Library, thousands of people took up the offer. While it hasn't been confirmed that Mamdani has watched or read Heated Rivalry, he is very excited to see so much enthusiasm about the resources of the public library, according to his spokesperson, Dora Paquette. In more serious news, health insurance costs are on the rise, and women and LGBTQ+ people are expected to get hit the hardest. According to a KFF poll, 52% of queer Americans say it's difficult to afford medical bills. LGBTQ+ people make less money than cis straight men on average and are more likely to have chronic health conditions, making this increase in cost detrimental to the health and safety of queer Americans. All of these issues are exacerbated by Congress allowing subsidies for the Affordable Care Act to lapse, making insurance more expensive for millions of people who don't get insurance through their job or government programs. In our nation's capital, thousands of LGBTQ activists met up for the National LGBTQ Task Force annual conference. The district has one of the highest percentages of LGBTQ+ representation across the country through LGBTQ+ owned bars, bookstores, and other small businesses, making the city a wise option to host the conference. The conference is described as part of a larger continuum of survival and resistance, according to Fernando Lopez in an interview with Advocacy.com writer Christopher Wiggins. The task force executive director Kiara Johnson spoke at the conference, saying, "Winning invigorates the opposition. If you don't have the people, you don't have the power." There were talks of making sure the community keeps each other safe, and that solidarity should extend to those who are realizing that they are on the wrong side of history, those trying to unlearn the hatred they were influenced to believe. That's all the news we have today. I've been your host, Raya Autry. Stay safe, stay informed, and I will see you next time.
Thank you, Raya, for keeping us in the know. Turning on the news can be scary sometimes, but now, more than ever, it's vital we stay informed. And what better place to learn a little something than Crash Course?
Hi gays, I know you all missed this pretty face. It's me, Logan Perry, back with another season of Crash Course with me, Logan Perry. For this episode, we'll be talking about every gay person's favorite topic, sports. So lace up your running shoes, put on that swim cap, and grab your pigskin, and get ready because we're just warming up. To kick us off, one of the most pivotal moments in gay sports history was the landmark 1982 Gay Games, hosted in San Francisco, initiated by Tom Waddell, an athlete and activist for the games to promote the inclusion of LGBTQ+ people in sports. And the first one included 1,350 athletes from 17 different sports and countries. Shout out to gay people. It is a 10-day event held every 4 years and is essentially the Gay Olympics. The 12th annual Gay Games will be held from June 27th till July 4th in Valencia, Spain. let's play some basketball. One of the biggest moments in LGBTQ plus basketball history was when Fergie performed her sensual rendition of the national anthem at the 2018 NBA All-Star Game. Just kidding. Speaking of basketball, Sue Wicks was the first openly gay LGBTQ plus WNBA player who came out in an interview in 2002. She opened the door for later WNBA queer icons like Laisha Clarendon, who was the first non-cisgender player in WNBA history. Now that's what I call a slam dunk for gay history. It's not always been easy to be out and proud though. Transgender tennis player Renee Richards knows this all too well. She won a lawsuit against the US Tennis Association in 1977 after they banned her from competing as a female player in the 1976 US Open. The New York Supreme Court ruled in Richards' favor, declaring that sports organizations cannot discriminate against trans women. This is a shocking thing to say, but thank you, Supreme Court. While on the topic of tennis, in 1973, the LGBTQ plus community won big as well, with queer icon Billie Jean King won the Battle of the Sexes against Bobby Riggs. King was one of the first athletes to be publicly outed, though an equally important event in her life. She describes it as horrible. She said her publicity team urged her to not admit the truth, but she refused to deny her identity as a lesbian. Even now, at 82 years old, King remains a huge gay rights activist. What a diva. Anyways, let's talk heated rivalry. Everyone's favorite gay show about gay hockey players. This show is about two closeted gay hockey players who have steamy rivalry with each other. Jesse Cordham, a real-life hockey player, said that the show gave him the confidence to come out. He had walked away from his athletic career out of fear of not being accepted for his sexuality, but now feels inspired to be his true, authentic self. The impact of erotic, closeted gay men will always be inspiring. With the 2026 Olympics in full swing, alongside it comes a plethora of queer athletes. To kick off the event, heated rivalry stars Connor Story and Hudson Williams carried the Olympic flame for the 49th leg of the torch relay in Milano Cortina. I'm glad the rivalry hockey players could set aside their differences and keep their clothes on for once. Anyways, back to gay history. Equestrian athlete Robert Dover was the first openly gay Olympian to participate in the Games in 1984. He opened the closet door for many more athletes, including Matthew Mitchum, who was the first openly gay Olympic gold medalist. This year's Winter Olympics will feature 44 publicly out gay, lesbian, bi, trans, and queer athletes competing. That is your crash course for today. I'm Logan Perry, and I'll see you all next time.
Hello there, my name is Hugo Zarowski. I'm here with my friends Jasmine and Rhea, and we are gonna guess who is gay.
Gay guessers, if you will.
Yes, so some of our team went out and interviewed some people, and they just answered simple questions, and based off of their vibe and answers, we're just gonna guess to see if they're gay or not. So, let's do it.
Hey guys, my name is Logan Perry,
And this is Alex Wall.
and today we're asking the burning question of the day, are you gay or not? So let's go find out. What is your name?
Adelaide.
Okay, this is a
And
queer
what is
person.
your major?
Yeah.
I'm an urban planning major.
Excellent. And what's your favorite color?
It's the speech pattern. We have like a specific
This is a trans
speech
woman.
pattern. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a gay trans woman.
Yes.
And I'm saying that off the bat right now.
Yeah.
Calling it.
Yeah, I agree with that. Totally.
Purple or lavender more specifically.
Yes.
Yep. Yep.
Like to hear it.
Yep.
Very good. What's your favorite season?
Fall.
Knew it, yeah.
Also, pause.
Boys?
Bros behind the counter, this is a barista. Let's take a minute and think about the most common type of career that a gay person can have.
This is true.
I say this as a barista.
This is very true.
You know, it takes one to know one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like,
This was, yeah. Do we even have to watch the rest? Like, what's going on?
Yeah, I mean,
If they turn out to be straight, I'm walking off set.
They're not. Like, there's
Biggest
no way.
Oh, I'm
plot twist of
aware.
the century.
Literally.
Oh, I'm aware, but I'm just saying. If we get to the point.
You know, like anything can happen.
You said Elliott Smith. What is your favorite music artist?
Elliott Smith.
Mannequin. I got a tattoo.
Oh,
Yeah.
excellent.
Yeah.
Very good,
Do we
very
even
good.
need to watch any more?
No, I don't think
Let's just skip to
This
the
is
end.
a gay
I have a
person.
preference
Gay.
to,
This is gay.
like, I
Very
prefer
gay
coffee
person.
for lattes, but
Yeah,
I
I feel
do
it.
drink tea.
Oh, excellent.
And to confirm for the people back in studio when they see this, what is your sexuality?
I'm straight.
Fire.
No. I'm a lesbian.
Excellent.
They just said they're
Thank you
lesbian.
so
They're
much.
lesbian.
Oh, thank God.
It was a joke.
Yo!
You were right. Like, you said they were
I
lesbian.
said, I knew it.
Yeah.
I knew it when I said it on both fronts.
Yeah.
Said it on both fronts, but you know what?
Yeah.
Let's continue.
All right.
Hi there. Can we get your name?
Yes, I go by Mari.
Pause.
This is
This is a gay man.
That's a
This is
gay
man.
And what are your pronouns?
He, him.
And your major?
Okay.
I'm a double major. I'm music education as
Gay man.
primary, and my secondary is vocal performance.
Vocal performance. So he
Going off of that, what's your favorite album of all time?
Album?
Wait, pause.
What?
Yes.
Okay. It's like so giving gay man, and then I just had this immediate thought back to my high school theater teacher, who everyone thought was gay, and he had a whole wife and 2 kids at home.
You know
and now
what?
I'm like having second thoughts.
Those
I'm doubting.
exist. Those exist.
Yeah.
It's true. It's a possibility. I think we need to watch more to kind of confirm this.
Okay, let's do this.
Ooh, I would say Ariana Grande's recent Eternal Sunshine, especially the
That's a
deluxe.
gay man. That is a gay man.
That's a gay man.
That is a gay
No
man.
straight man listens to Ariana Grande. Like, at least
There's
like
no way.
favorite, like favorite thing. That's all I needed to hear personally.
Yeah, we're done. We're done.
Gay.
Yeah.
I love him. I
Oh,
want
I
to
love
be
him
his, I
so
wanna be
much.
his friend.
Yes.
Let's see.
Are you gay or straight?
So I would like to say, for the ladies out there, I'm gay. I'm so sorry.
Yup.
Oh,
Yup.
I adore him.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey there.
Hi.
Can we get your name first?
Ava Powell.
And what are your pronouns?
She, her.
And what's your major?
Public relations.
Me too.
Really?
Holy twin. Oh my gosh. Oh. What would you say your favorite color is?
Pink.
Pink. Love.
Pause.
Do you have a favorite movie?
I think she's bi.
Yeah.
It's the sway, the jacket. My favorite color is pink. She speaks very softly, very daintily.
Yeah.
She listens to Lana Del Rey.
I'm getting by with a preference towards men.
Yes.
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 I see that.
I
But-
see that because I am one.
Okay. I'll have to see more of the questions, but I see what y'all are saying,
Yeah.
but I also still am getting a little bit of straight
Yeah.
vibes. It's harder to tell with women for sure.
Okay. Final question. Are you gay or straight?
I'm super gay, guys. I don't know if you knew. I don't know if you caught. I feel like you saw it.
Thanks for joining us on the Season 10 premiere of Can't Think Straight. For additional resources, visit the National LGBTQ Task Force for legal updates and advocacy toolkits. Text HOME or HOLA to 741-741 for 24/7 peer support through the crisis text line. And as always, follow Can't Think Straight on Instagram at Can't Think Straight ASU for updates, behind the scenes, bloopers, and more queer content. Stay safe, be gay, and we'll see you next time. Bye.